I want to speak English confidently and effortlessly. And I'm housewife. Can I speak English confidently? I have dream. I want to become a fluent English speaker. But how? How I practice? I really don't know how I practice. So friends, if you have this kind of question, then I think this video it will be very helpful for you. And if you are new here in my YouTube channel, then please subscribe for get new videos related English. Okay. So friends, just my child is disturbing me, but I try to give my 100% for making videos, and I try to make this video very useful. So how I practice? How I practice because I'm housewife and I have to do house chores and some others and some others like a field work, planting paddy and plucking and some planted other I have field work. But what should do and how I manage my time. So in this video I am going to share with you how to practice English for get better result. Okay, so first thing is I just know, hey baby, butterfly is here, look, here is butterfly, look. So what to do for getting fluency? You know, if you just imagine I have my child in my leg and I record my video in my other hand. So I manage my time, you know. This is a practical, this is practical example. Okay, I manage my time today for get fluency and for improve my English language. So this way I try to just motivate you, don't give up. Okay, don't think give up if you don't have time for get for give your 100%. Never ever think give up. Okay, it's not a cup of tea. English speaking, it's not a cup of tea and it's not a very easy. So hey baby, here's flower, look, flower, pluck flower, pluck, start pluck. And what to do? Okay, so if you have a small time, like a little bit time, start speaking, start reading and start learning related getting fluency, start doing some other work. But hey, pluck, pluck babu, hey leaf. And what should do? Okay, oh baby plucked, pluck, pluck other leaf. So start practice in English. Okay, start thinking, start practice. If you have just little bit time, and after completing your house chores, after completing your office work, and after doing some other work, you have some free time, then you will start English speaking practice. If you're not able to just give your 100%, so you should give your 50%, 30%, 30% and 50%. If I say, it's enough for any housewife for getting better result. Okay, English speaking, it's not require what time you give, it's require consistency. If you maintain your consistency, then it will be better. Okay, for your result, it will be better for a result. So I think consistency is matter a lot for getting fluency. Okay, and other thing, how to maintain your consistency, just okay, just wake up early in the morning. Okay, and start reading related English speaking. Okay, start reading, writing, what you want, just start do. Okay, it will be quite difficult if you not have English speaking partner like me, because my practice is only, I do my practice, it's only alone, because I don't have any English speaking partner. Hey baby, just pluck. Okay, I want to show you butterfly, I want to see butterfly. Okay, please just don't disturb. Oh, hey, look here, brinjal plant, pluck, pluck. Babu, pluck brinjal. Oh, good boy. And now baby is plucking brinjal. Oh, it is difficult. Just pluck it. Oh my god. Yes. So, so speak English. If you get any time, if you get if you get little bit free time, then you have to do practice English. This way you can done your practice. This way you will be done your practice, and you will be see better result in few months. Okay, and it is very important if you are dedicated for improve your English, if you are dedicated for getting fluency, if you are maintain your consistency, if you are give you 100%, it is very if I say, it is very good. Okay, and if you are unable to give your 100% like me, then please don't think should I give up. No, you should not give up. Just try to maintain your consistency, because if you today give up, then how you can expect yourself one day you will be become fluent English speaker? No, because you if you miss your practice today, then how you can expect with yourself you can speak English confidently one day? No, it is impossible. So just maintain your consistency, practice today as well as, and practice today as much as you can. Hey baby, please stand up. Go home, catch your cam. So try to maintain your consistency anyhow, any condition, if you want to speak English confidently. So now friends, this way I try to maintain my consistency, and I truly say, to be honest, I am unable to give my 100%. That's why my English speaking is little bit broken. That's why my English is little broken, and sometimes I fumble, sometimes I'm stuck, because I'm unable to give my 100%, because I have responsibility, I have circumstances, but I have dream. If I have, then I have to do anyhow, any condition, because dream is only me. Okay, this dream, it is only me. So if I want to, then I have to do. It's a only and only thing, practice. If you are practice today, tomorrow, after tomorrow, then you will see the better result. Okay, one day. Okay, so this way I try to maintain my consistency age, and I want to give you start maintain your consistency anyhow, any condition, because English speaking, it's only your dream, not other. So don't depend any others. If we can just push me, go and start practice, go and start doing some others. So I think never ever, it is never ever happen. So that's why it's my responsibility to give my 100%, 50%, 20% for English speaking. That's why I try to maintain my consistency. And now my baby is hold my, as you can see, hold my, and if I say, it's little bit, and I'm happy with. Okay, so I manage my consistency. So friends, if you like this video, then please like, share, subscribe, and and this of video, I want to just suggest you, don't think give up. If you don't have time one day today, then you will try to tomorrow. Okay, but don't think give up, it's no. So friends, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care, have a nice day, bye bye.